girls, and welcome back to another day of learning. I am Miss Amy, and today for grammar, we're going to be talking about adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun, such as person, place, thing, or idea. An adjective can tell the color of something. So we can say the bag is green. So green there is an adjective because it is describing or it is telling us the color of the bag. So colors are adjectives. We can have black. We can say the board is black. We have pink. Roy is wearing a pink shirt. So pink there is an adjective because it's describing the shirt that Roy is wearing. Okay? An adjective can tell the size of something. So we can say the truck is big. Or we can say this is a short girl. So you see, short and big, they tell us the size of the noun. Big is telling us the size of the truck, and short is telling us the size of the girl. So size can also be adjectives. We have large, we have little. Those words also tell us the size of something. Now, an adjective can tell the shape of something. We can say the ball is round. Round in this sentence is telling us what the ball looks like. It is telling us the shape of the ball. So round there will be an adjective. Okay? We can say the board is square. So square there is telling us the shape of this board. So therefore, square will be an adjective because it's telling us the shape of the noun. Okay? Now, adjective can also tell us the taste of something. We can say the food is delicious. Now, delicious there is describing the taste of the food. So, delicious is an adjective. We can say the mangoes are sour. Now, what is the adjective in that sentence? The adjective in that sentence will be sour because it is telling us the taste of the mangoes. Now the mangoes are sour. Okay? So sour there is an adjective because it's describing the taste of the mangoes. We have sweet. We have bitter. Now these are words that tell the taste of something. Okay? So they are also adjectives. So far we learned that an adjective can tell the color of something. An adjective can tell the size of something. An adjective can also tell us the shape of something. And an adjective can tell us the taste of something. But we're not done yet. Adjective can also tell us the texture of something. Okay? Texture means how it feels. For example, we can say the mirror is smooth. Now, smooth there would be an adjective because it's telling us how the mirror feels. Okay? We can say that the grater is bumpy. When we touch it, it is bumpy. So it is telling us the texture. The word bumpy there is telling us the texture of the grater. Okay? Now, an adjective can also tell us the sound of something. We can say that the horn is loud. The horn is loud. It is telling us how the horn sound. So an adjective can also be words that tell us the sound. Now guess what? Adjectives can also be numbers. We can say there are many mangoes in the basket. There are many mangoes in the basket. The word many there will be an adjective because it is telling us that there are a lot of mangoes in this basket. It is telling us the number. Okay, we have 2, 4, 6, 50, 25. All of these here are adjectives. Okay, adjectives can also be numbers. There are many other words that tell us the number of things. We have few, okay, we have many, we have much, we have a lot, okay. All of these words here can be adjectives because they tell us the number. Now, adjective can also tell us the weather. Yesterday was a rainy day. The adjective in this sentence will be rainy because it is describing yesterday. Okay? We can say that today is a windy day. The word windy in this sentence is an adjective because it is describing the day. Okay? So an adjective can tell us the color, it can tell us the size of something, it can tell us the shape of something, it can tell us the taste, it can tell us the texture, it can tell us the sound, it can tell us the number, and it can also tell us the weather. Now take a look at this sentence and you're going to help me identify the adjective in the sentence. Now remember, boys and girls, an adjective is a word that describes a noun, or an adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. So let us take a look. I have long hair. I have long hair. What is the adjective in that sentence? The adjective is long. Why is long the adjective? It is the adjective because it is describing the noun hair. Your hair, that is a noun. It's a name of something. And the word that describes the noun in this sentence will be long. Let us take a look at number 2. Rahul is a fat boy. Rahul is a fat boy. Fat is the adjective because it is describing the type of boy Rahul is. Okay? Now take a look at number 3. It says Shreya is a beautiful girl. Shreya is a beautiful girl. What type of girl is Shreya? Shreya is a beautiful girl. So the word beautiful in this sentence is describing Shreya. Okay? Now, I want us to take a careful look at sentence number 4. It says, Rama has a blue pen. Rama has a blue pen. What is the noun in this sentence? The nouns are Rama and pen. And which word is there in the sentence that describe one of the noun? The word is blue. Blue is a color. And we can see the pen that Rama has, it is not black, it is not long, it is blue. So the adjective in that sentence will be blue because it is describing the type of pen that Rama has. Okay? Now the next sentence says, Geeta's grandmother is an old lady. Geeta's grandmother is an old lady. The adjective in that sentence is old. Very good. The adjective is old. Now, can you tell me why old is an adjective? Old in this sentence is an adjective because it is describing the lady. It is describing Geeta's grandmother. Okay? So, once again, boys and girls, say it with me. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Okay? Now, take a look at this butterfly. I want you to choose an adjective that we can use to describe this noun. A butterfly is the name of an animal. So therefore, it is a noun. And words that use to describe a noun are called adjectives. So let us find some words that we can use to describe this butterfly. We can say the butterfly is beautiful. So beautiful is describing this butterfly. Therefore, beautiful is an adjective. Okay? We can also say this butterfly is colorful. Very good. Colorful. It means that the butterfly has many colors. So colorful is an adjective because it is describing this butterfly. We can also say this butterfly is small. So the word small is telling us the size of the butterfly. So therefore it is an adjective. Now take a look at this picture. This is a sunflower. Very good. That is a sunflower. Now what are some words that we can use to describe this sunflower? We can say the sunflower is large or huge. Those words describe the size of our sunflower. So therefore, they are adjectives. We can say, this is a bright sunflower. Very good. It is a bright sunflower. We can use a color to describe the sunflower. We can say, this is a yellow sunflower. Very good. So, yellow there will be our adjective because it describes the sunflower. Okay? Now, I have one more picture for us to describe. This is a helmet. So, we want to use an adjective to describe this helmet. We can say, this is a red helmet. We can say, this is a hard helmet. We can say, this is a motorcycle helmet. Okay? Now, all of these words are describing the helmet. So, because all of them are telling us about the helmet, they are describing the helmet, they are called adjectives. So, good job, boys and girls. Adjectives are words that, can you fill in the blank? Adjectives are words that describe nouns or pronoun. Okay? So until next time, boys and girls, this is Miss Amy saying goodbye, everyone.